This is the Remington Solar Sun Shock. It's supposed to kill all the algae in the pool. It's supposed to replace all the chemicals that is added traditionally in a swimming pool. I believe one of these is good enough for a 22,000 gallon pool. I have a pool which is 20 by 50, more than 25,000 gallons, so I use two of these. It comes with a copper anode and basket, and that's all you have to do. It's easy to set up, and all you got to do is throw it in the pool. You see my pool is a little bit foggy. I'm going to show you what happens in 3 days. It does work. All you have to do is make sure it gets sun for 4 to 5 hours a day. You see the difference? This is getting better. And at the end of the 3 days, the water is much cleaner, crystal clear. And I didn't have to use any chemicals. This is what it's supposed to do. I have two of these in my pool.